Our advanced laser welding solutions cover a broad spectrum of industrial manufacturing applications, ensuring precision, efficiency, and consistent quality. The technology we employ in our laser welding processes requires meticulous precision where tight tolerances are critical for optimal results. Laser welding process includes typically the following steps, which ensure that the components are fitted together with the highest accuracy. Pressing stations are designed to meet specific product requirements. Our electrical press offers accuracy, speed, and quality, together with precise control and monitoring of force and stroke during these sessions. The laser welding process can be carried out either moving the laser head or by rotating the workpiece to move along the seam of the two components. The process may require additional welding material depending on the parts to be joined and the customer's requirements. The process quality could be then assessed by means of various techniques for checking the correct welding after the procedure.